This is a goat. That's the way they call this machine. It's being used to move the containers, those shipping containers in the yard. This is a lumber type of yard, and I'm going to show you how I did a radio installation. It's a used Motorola. They gave me a used Motorola. They have a pile of these radios. I did a quick job. This is my second installation for today, and also I've done other type of work, and driving around, it's time consuming and it's tiring. And what I did, I put a speaker here, that external speaker. I run the harness inside here. The power, usually we connect it here. There's a constant power, 12 volts. You can use a better system, it's up to you. Radio bracket, it's very sturdy. I put the microphone here. Even the microphone is going to hang around. They usually have a wire, a tie wrap or something, and what they do, they have the microphone hanging like that, and they grab it and they talk on it. But for aesthetics, I put the microphone hanger or clip there, and this is a constant power, and it's really loud. Wow, my ears are popping, whistling and doing some noises. And I'll show the antenna quickly. I ran out of coaxial kit cables for this type of installation for mirror mount coaxial cable kit, we call it, and I ended up using a custom bracket with a coaxial cable kit and their old antenna. So I just fished the cable to an existing hole, which was the hole for the heater, for the mirror heater, and I ran it nicely with a split loom, because I noticed the old cable from the old truck was pinched in a couple of places. So the heat container, the heat brace is where they go, and they pinch the cable. If I install it on the front, they are going to pinch the cable and cut the cable when they hit some sturdy object. So I run the cable on the back side, most likely when the driver is backing up, he's paying attention. I hope, but sometimes they do damage things. And I tested the antenna, looks okay, everything is fine, and took me 2 hours. It's I had some trouble with the grounding, so you must scrape the paint off the mirror bracket of this. This is anodized paint, so you need to scrape the paint, and I've used a special grounding paste, like a special grounding grease, the one that has the graphite or some metal, but is graphite, I guess, and it makes a better bonding and it prevents some rust for a couple of years. Usually you get corrosion if you don't use that type of conductive paste. That's it for bonding, for grounding. So once I measured it again, I got a good SWR reading, and compared to before, when I did not scrape it well, was much different. And it took me extra half an hour to troubleshoot why I'm not getting a good reading. I thought maybe the antenna was not cut right. I just used the antenna from the previous truck. I just removed it and I reused it. So that's a goat. TICO. See you later. Bye bye.